Is your Discord app stuck on the loading screen or refusing to open at all? Don't worry, we've got you covered with a quick and effective fix. First things first, let's ensure your system is ready for Discord. Outdated drivers can often cause unexpected issues. We'll start by updating your graphics drivers. Search for your graphics card manufacturer like NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and visit their official website. Download and install the latest drivers for your specific model. This simple step can sometimes resolve many problems. Next, we'll tackle Discord's cache. Sometimes corrupted cache files can prevent the application from launching. You'll need to access a couple of specific folders. Press your Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog. Type %appdata% and press Enter in the folder that opens. Find the Discord folder, go inside, and delete all the files and folders within. Be sure to safely exit Discord completely before doing this. Now, let's check for conflicting applications. Other programs running in the background can sometimes interfere with Discord. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ask to open Task Manager. Look for any applications that might be using a lot of resources or that you suspect could be causing conflict. Select them and click End Task. Pay close attention to any other voice chat or overlay software. If the previous steps didn't do the trick, it's time for a fresh start. We'll uninstall and reinstall Discord. Go to your Windows settings, then Apps, and find Discord in the list. Click on it and select Uninstall. Once uninstalled, visit the official Discord website and download the latest version of the application, then install it. After that final step, try launching Discord again. With any luck, your problem should be resolved, and you'll be back to chatting with your friends in no time.